Hey guys, welcome here! In this lecture I would like to show you how you can get the help if you are stuck or if you have any error. So first and most important is to Google. So if you have any issue, error, just Google it. There is 99% chance that you will find your solution for a problem in 5 first searches. So go for it, Google for 5-10 minutes, and if you cannot still find answer for your problem, just check my GitHub repository you can find on this URL, and I will include this URL inside of the resources of this lecture. You can find here a completed project with all of the source code and everything you need. If you are still stuck after this, please write me in the comments on Udemy. I usually respond very fast. Also, you can join me on a Slack. Slack is just a chat platform. You can write with me and your other colleagues from a course. So you can write me here direct message, or you can participate in various channels and tell me your opinions or maybe some improvements for the course, or if you need any help. And by the way, in order to invite you, I need your email, so please send me your email if you want to join us on a Slack. Alright guys, so that should be it, and I really hope you will not get any errors on your journey through this course. So guys, I hope to see you in the lectures.